The iPhone 18 Pro just leaked, and I'm holding the actual dummy models right now. 4 new colors, bigger lenses, and 5 upgrades that are going to blow your mind. Apple is bringing back black, first time since the 17 Pro dropped it completely, and alongside it, a gorgeous cherry pink and a deep Sierra-style blue. The black model has that classic two-tone finish we love. Matte back, polished titanium frame, and it already looks premium even as a dummy unit. The cherry color is more of a soft pinky purple. Apple will definitely give it a fancier name. And the blue, darker than MacBook Air blue, closer to iPhone 13 Pro Sierra blue. Now let's talk dimensions. The iPhone 18 Pro measures in at around 8.8mm thick, that's slightly thicker than the 17 Pro at 8.64mm. Barely noticeable, but there's a reason for it. The camera bump is now 13.7mm versus 12.4mm on the 17 Pro. That extra size isn't just for show, and in about 60 seconds, you'll understand exactly why. Upgrade number 1, the A20 Pro Chip, built on a 2nm process. That's smaller than anything Apple has ever put in an iPhone before. 2nm means more transistors packed tighter, so the chip is faster and more efficient. Better performance and better battery life at the same time. That's huge. Upgrade number 2, Apple's own C2 modem chip. This is the first time a Pro iPhone gets Apple's custom modem. No more Qualcomm inside the Pro lineup. And the C2 comes with satellite connectivity, middle of the desert, middle of the jungle. No cell tower needed. You stay connected, messages, light browsing, maybe even low-res video. Upgrade number 3, the front camera is jumping from 18 megapixels to 24 megapixels. That's a massive selfie upgrade in just 1 year. 24 megapixels means sharper selfies, better FaceTime quality, and more detail when you're cropping in. Portrait mode on the front camera is going to look incredible. Upgrade number 4, and this one is my personal favorite. Variable aperture is coming to the main 48MP wide camera on the iPhone 18 Pro. In bright sunlight, the aperture physically closes to block excess light, giving you crisper, more natural-looking photos without blowing out the highlights. In low light, it opens up wide to pull in more light. This is how real cameras work. Not digital trickery, actual physical aperture control on your phone. And for portrait shots, you'll have real control over depth of field. The background blur won't be faked. It'll be optically accurate, just like a mirrorless camera. Upgrade number 5, the camera control button is getting redesigned. Apple is simplifying how it works because, let's be honest, the current version confused a lot of people. It's also one of the most expensive parts to replace if it breaks. Apple is engineering a cheaper, simpler version, better for users, better for repair costs. So to recap, new colors including black coming back, thicker body for good reason, and 5 major upgrades across chips, cameras, and connectivity. A20 Pro Chip on 2nm, Apple C2 modem with satellite, 24MP front camera, variable aperture rear, simpler camera button. This is shaping up to be a serious upgrade year. Honestly, the satellite connectivity alone could be a life-changing feature for travelers, hikers, and anyone who ventures off the grid regularly. And variable aperture, that puts the iPhone 18 Pro camera in a completely different conversation. This isn't smartphone photography anymore, this is legitimate photography. Which color would you go for? I'm personally going black, it's been missed. But that blue is calling me too. Drop your pick in the comments right now. Cases from the 17 Pro almost certainly won't fit the 18 Pro. The body is slightly larger, the camera bump is bigger. Start budgeting for a new case now. When you look at the full picture, from the 13 to the 18 Pro, this year represents one of the biggest single-generation leaps Apple has made in a long time. The C2 modem with satellite support isn't just a spec. It's Apple quietly building toward a world where you're never truly off the grid again. These are still dummy models. The real thing will look even better. Knowing Apple, the final fit and finish will be on another level entirely. iPhone 18 Pro. New chip, new modem, new camera system, new aperture tech. This is Apple not playing it safe. This is Apple going all in. If you want every iPhone 18 Pro leak as it drops, subscribe and hit the bell. I'm covering every update between now and launch day. You don't want to miss it.